Hey friends, Kendra here, and today's video is all about skincare. I get so excited when it's time to talk skincare. But before we get into this gorgeousness that you see on your screen now, let's check out the before, okay? So this is my skin before, and I'm going to be trying out the Sand and Sky Pore Refining Pink Australian Clay Mask. Now, y'all see the pores, don't you? Okay, it's no secret. I got some pores, but we're trying to minimize those, right? I mean, that's the lifelong goal. So shout out to Sand and Sky for sponsoring this video. They're trying to help my skin be great in these streets. Let's jump right into this video. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna be testing out the Sand and Sky. This is their Australian Pink Clay Mask. And it is a pore refining mask that detoxifies and brightens the skin. So I'm super excited to be trying this out. So let's go ahead and read the directions. It says to apply evenly over clean and dry skin. Use the brush provided. A little goes a long way. Leave on for 10 minutes. Gently remove with warm water or a wet towel. Pat dry. For oily combination skin, use 2 to 3 times a week. For dry or sensitive skin, use 1 to 2 times a week. So this is the box that it comes in. And let's open it up. This is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Mask. Ooh, oh, it has a very distinctive smell. It did come with a little brush, so I'm going to be using that to apply it on my face. I'm going to start off with the top, and I'm just going to scrape whatever mask is on the top, and let's go. I have my mirror right in front of me, so if I'm looking down, please know that I'm looking at my mirror. All right, you ready? The great thing about this mask is that it doesn't contain any parabens or any nastiness, and it's made with 100% natural Australian ingredients, so it's pretty good for your skin. So I don't want to use too much because it did say a little goes a long way. I am feeling a bit of tingling right away, like right away. So, feels like it is working. It's doing something rather. So I'm just gonna smooth around whatever I have left. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to simply rinse it out or wipe it off with a washcloth. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. If you guys can see, it's already drying out. As you can see, it's turning white like around the perimeter of my face. You see this white spot on my nose, so it seems to be drying pretty fast. So it seems like 10 minutes is all that you really need. Guys, so it is fully dry and I am feeling really tight. I can barely move my mouth, but the tingling is gone, so that's how I know that it's ready to be wiped off. So I have my washcloth here and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Oh my goodness. Wow, my skin feels so good. It definitely feels squeaky clean. Wow, you guys, my skin feels soft as a baby's bottom. Oh my gosh, and I feel like I have quite a glow to me. You guys can tell me what you think, but my skin feels so amazing. I feel like my pores did shrink. I feel like they gotten smaller, like I can't really notice them, and I'm using my macro lens. So you guys let me know if you can notice them, but I'm feeling like my pores are like, ugh. But usually when I do this, I feel them, but I can't feel them right now. It just feels really smooth, you know? Thank you so much to Sand and Sky for sending over this mask. I think I'm gonna start using it twice a week to just kind of keep my skin detoxified and just kind of shrink those pores, you know? And let's see what happens when I put on my makeup. So I will be right back. I'm going to apply my makeup because that just shows me, you know, the base of my skin and how well the mask did. If it is a smooth application with my makeup, then I know that this mask is for me. So I will be right back. I'm going to put on my makeup and then I'll show you guys the end results. All right, you guys, I am back and I have to say that my makeup application was pretty much flawless, okay? And I am just loving how my skin feels, how my skin looks. I mean, I always want to start off with a nice, clean, fresh canvas, and definitely the Sand and Sky Pink Pore Refining Clay Mask did that for me. So I am super excited and I will be using this clay mask again. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have tried it. Let me know your thoughts on it. And yeah, if you have any questions about the mask, check down below in the description box. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.